Hello guys, so September 11th, what happened in the history? Okay, so you can see Swami Vivekananda's photo and also the 9/11 attack. Okay, September 11th, 2021 years back, the Twin Tower, like a plane came and crashed on it and then it blasted, and also the Pentagon building which was there also it went and crashed. So it was a very big loss, and many people died, many lost their families, infrastructural loss, and terrorism was at its peak at that time. Okay, 2001. So that happened today, and Pentagon formation also was today. Many things are there. I think it's the longest number of events today's episode. Vivekananda's actually, there was a Parliament of Religion. Okay, Parliament of Religion kind of thing in Chicago in I think 1893, where all the world leaders came, and Vivekananda represented Hinduism, and he started his speech like my brothers and sisters of America. That audio clip is there on YouTube. You should go and listen. A very motivational, inspirational kind of speech it is. So that happened today, September 11th. So that is the reason these pictures have been put, and I will show you what other things happened. Before that, go to community tab and please participate there. Okay, MCQs are put daily basis with answers, explanation, and whether you need other classes, CAPF, CDS and all, in our Vysh courses YouTube channel, the other one, we are ready to start that. Okay, but you have to come and vote and tell me which one is there, because we cannot start everything in like together. We have to see which is like more in demand, and based on that we will tell our teachers to do it. Okay, so please go and vote in the community tab. Your feedback matters. Okay, these are sample questions. You can again go to community tab and see. These are like among the tough category, I will tell these questions. And also, if you are able to crack this one, your preparation is going good, meaning you are reading newspaper daily, you are maybe watching our editorial or solving test. However, you are able to solve it, means you are doing good. If you are not able to solve it, meaning your preparation is lacking somewhere. So that evaluation on a daily basis you have to do, not like simply study Lakshmikant, Spectrum, NCERT, that anybody can do. Okay, anybody can do. If I give you 3 months time, you will study all the textbooks and come. But if you cannot solve questions, then what was the point of all this knowledge? So try to solve every day. Okay, so now this also editorial today's is interesting. Disaster management and the dark patterns, both are GS3 topic, very important. So if you do this, you will be able to score high in your mains. So your choice, go and watch it on YouTube channel. So what happened today? One is like today's National Forest Martyrs Day. Okay, meaning people who gave up their life for protecting forest or conserving wildlife and all, dedicated to them a particular day. Okay, so it's a national one, it's not international, Indian context, because in India this date only this person Amrita Devi sacrificed life in Rajasthan along with fellow villagers who laid down their life while trying to protect the trees in the region. Okay, which was being cut by the rulers of the princely state of Jodhpur. So these people protested and they died also. So that is why this is National Forest Martyrs Day. Okay, and then I told you Swami Vivekananda's speech in the World Parliament of Religion. So there in Chicago, USA, he represented Hinduism, and his opening remarks became very famous, that brothers and sisters of America. It is quoted in various occasions worldwide. So it's a very important thing. Okay, for your modern history also, Swami Vivekananda's portions I've already taught in Spectrum lectures. Please go and study more. Okay. September 11, 1906, Gandhiji had the first ever satyagraha, but that is not in India. In India, he came, 1915 only. So his first ever satyagraha outside India, it was in South Africa, where they had this law discriminating all the Asian people or the people who are not fair or white in skin tone. They were like being tortured, and the British colonial government passed certain discriminating laws in Transvaal in South Africa. So that time he had his first satyagraha. And India's first satyagraha, if you want, it is actually Champaran. Okay, that's not on the same date. Champaran 1917 in I think April month it will be. So that was his first satyagraha inside India. Okay, first ever outside India and internationally was in South Africa in 1906, September 11. Then Acharya Vinoba Bhave's birth anniversary, it is today, and this also is very important personality. In my Spectrum I have taught you when we discussed August Offer and 1940 movements and Quit India movement and all. There we have learnt about him. Okay, so he was actually, full name is Vinayak Narahari Bhave, also Vinoba Bhave, an Indian advocate of non-violence and human rights, often called as Acharya. Okay, and he's considered as like the spiritual successor of Mahatma Gandhi also, because of his ideology of non-violence, and he was known for the Bhudan movement. Okay, land related one reform is there, and he translated the Gita, Bhagavad Gita, into Marathi language, okay, which is Gitai. And in 1940, remember, there was individual satyagraha concept which Gandhi started. Okay, First one was Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Okay, second and third, try to find out. In the spectrum, I have taught you. Okay, including I think Jawaharlal Nehru was there. So instead of doing mass satyagraha, individual satyagraha they did as a new tactics, and that worked also. So he was the very first one chosen by Gandhi to do that. Okay, and he took part in Quit India movement also later after that. Then I told you Pentagon building, that 5-sided one building is there, which is in USA's like biggest office in the world. It was till recently Gujarat, you know, in Surat, the diamond related people, they made a very big office, and that is now the world's largest office campus. Okay, till before that it was Pentagon office. So that construction, defense minister, the person's name is here, Army Brigadier General Somerville. He actually had this idea that after the World War II, we'll need a like in less space, but more people can accommodate. We need hospitals, we need everything. Okay, shortage of space issue was there, so that we have to resolve, and that is why Pentagon building was conceptualized in around 296 acres of land, and that is the date is today, September 11, 1941. Okay, then 2001, you know, more than 3,000 people were killed as this Al-Qaeda hijackers seized control of 4 jetliners, sending 2 of the planes to New York's World Trade Center, 1 into the Pentagon, and the 4th one went into Western Pennsylvania. So this is a very dramatic event which happened that time, and later that Osama bin Laden was captured and killed also by USA. So after that again, lot of terrorist groups have come, but this was a very shocking thing which we have this many footages and all. So that happened today. Then there is this father of all bomb, okay, FOAB, which they call, same like the mother of all bomb is there. So that actually USA tested bombs which they named as mother of all bombs. Immediately Russia told, okay, father of all bombs. Okay, so like that they have this race between Cold War between USA and Russia. So that testing that broadcasted on air on September 11, 2007, okay, where they told the Russian armed forces have tested this new bomb, okay, sending shockwaves, like telling we have such a very powerful nuclear bomb which can even wipe out a complete country and all. So that also happened today. So many, if you see, defense related and historic related events happen today. Many more are there. The best which I suit, like UPSC suiting things only I take. So watch it regularly. Make a practice to learn daily. Okay, you, no matter what source you are studying, you have to study, you have to practice, you have to revise, you have to redo it again and again, and you should ideally clear. So if you want test series of Vysh IAS, you can come and contact me in my WhatsApp. The number is given here, and the combo packs, okay, whether like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, it depends on which exam you are giving. Ideally 2 to 3 years you should study, no matter what government job exam you are giving. 2 to 3 years in the back and 1 year upcoming, that you should study. That is how it is for an exam. Okay, so WhatsApp me in this number, and I hope you will study nicely and make yourself proud, your parents proud, your teachers proud, and keep doing it. Okay, success is not like in one day you will get it. You have to do it consistently, and I hope you are such person who will do it. Okay, so watch our this also, the editorial. I'll wind up. Thank you and have a nice day.